There can be a lot of questions or unknowns about shipping into or out of Mexico via Laredo. Let's go step by step so you can see the process in action. Upon entering our terminal in Laredo, each driver needs to check in with our security shack. We are CTPAT certified, that is manned 24/7, and each trailer then is inspected at a broad overview, a quick 4 points of pictures around the trailer, looking for obvious cargo damages, obvious trailer damages, and logging that entry to be CTPAT compliant. Every trailer then goes through our safety lane where the trailer is then inspected to make sure it is roadworthy to continue its way to its final destination, both on inbound and outbound shipments from Mexico. During the trailer inspection, we're looking for any issues with lights, brakes, tire tread depth, cross members, or landing gear to make sure that equipment is in good condition for either pickup or delivery. After you leave the inspection, there's two outcomes that could happen. Your trailer is going to be green tagged or it's going to be red tagged. Green tag means the load and trailer is effectively good to go and proceed to its final either pickup or delivery, whereas red tag means there's something wrong with the trailer and something needs to be done. Our terminal staff will work with the trailer shop staff to prioritize and triage those repairs based off of needed date and otherwise communicate with you as far as when that load can be expected to be ready to go. If you have any questions about this process and want to learn more, please reach out to us at atsinc.com.